Hi all. As you can see here, the project hosted on 3030 port number. Now, I want to share this project in the world. So I can't share the local host. So what I can do, I can use the port forwarding concept. Here I will mention the port number 3030. It will ask me to authenticate with GitHub. This is only first time if you are not authenticate with GitHub, and after authenticate with GitHub, it will create a tunnel for you with the port number. Okay, it's generated the unique URL for us, but the visibility is still private. We will change the port visibility to public, and now the public URL is publicly accessible. We'll copy and open this URL. As you can see, the project is now live, and I can share this URL to anyone in the worldwide. Nice. Same as 3030 port number, you can add more port number here. There is a limitation. The max limit is 10 tunnels. Now, what is Dev Tunnel? So here is the blog by Microsoft. What is Dev Tunnel? Dev Tunnel allows developer to securely share local web services across the internet. So this is very useful to developer who just want to share a project or a task to the colleague or project manager. I will put that blog URL or documentation in description below. You can find it. And interesting thing about this URL is that this URL is persistent. Means if you close the project and come back again and share the same port, it will generate the same URL. Thank you. For more videos, stay tuned.